Hey guys, how's it going? How to check for stalkers on TikTok. So first of all, check for profile views. If you have TikTok Pro or business account, you can access the profile views and feature to see who recently visited your profile. And then check for any unusual activity from followers like excessive likes, comments, or shares from the same person. Look out for repeated comments or direct messages from the same user, especially if they aren't someone you know well. And then tie in your privacy settings to control who can view your content, comment, or send you direct messages. And always stay cautious and protect your privacy on TikTok. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.